Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Passion Coaching by Sadaf. In this video, we are going to talk about CA, especially for international students want to become a chartered accountant. Let's get started this video. Are you living outside India but interested in pursuing the prestigious chartered accountant qualification with ICAI? If yes, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll take you step by step through the entire process of becoming CA as an international student, starting from eligibility, syllabus differences to global career opportunities. Stick around till the end for bonus tips on why ICAI a great choice for building a global accounting career. Let's get started. What is ICAI?
Institute of Chartered Accountant of India
Is one of the most recognized accounting bodies in the world. Its CA qualification is highly respected even outside India. For its rigorous training in depth knowledge, ICAI-certified professional work across industries in countries like UAE, UK, Canada, even in the US. What makes ICAI unique is its strong foundation in accounting and auditing standards. And the best part, as an international student, you can pursue it from your own country without needing to move to India. Let's talk about who can apply, the eligibility criteria. There are two main routes to join ICAI. The first one is the foundation route. It is ideal for a student just completing their 12th standards. The second route is the direct entry route, perfect for graduate or those who have equivalent qualification, especially in accounting and commerce. If you are an international student, you'll need to provide proof of your qualification, identity, and residency. For non-resident Indians like NRIs, ICAI can also offer regional examination center across the globe, which make the process easier. Key syllabus differences for international students. Now here, what the things get excited for international students. While the core syllabus is the same, there are few key differences designed to meet global standards. For example, in accounting standards, you will focus on IFRS, that is International Financial Reporting System, instead of Indian AS, that is Indian Accounting Standard. The second part, in taxation, Indian students study GST and Indian taxation, but international students learn about international taxation, including transfer pricing and double taxation avoidance agreement, that is DTAA. The third part would be difference in corporate law. In corporate laws, you are going to emphasis on global business laws alongside Indian laws, helping you understand cross-border transactions. This makes ICAI's program globally relevant and prepares you for international opportunities. Now we talk about how to enroll. So how do you get started as an international student? It is very simple. Visit the official ICAI website and register under the appropriate route, foundation or direct entry. Upload the required documents including your academic transcript and identity proof. Thirdly, select your nearest examination center. ICAI has international centers in cities like Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Doha, making it convenient for students living abroad. Pay the registration fees, which varies slightly for international applicants. Once registered, you'll gain access to ICAI's study material and mock tests online. Now, let's talk about the big picture. What can you do after becoming a CA with ICAI? You can work in global firms like Deloitte, KPMG, EY, or PwC. specialize in fields like international taxation, financial auditing, or management consulting. Many countries offers exemptions for ICAI certified professional, so transitioning to ACCA or CPA becoming easier. Now, ICAI equips you with the skill to compete on a global level, and that's why it is one of the best accounting qualification in the world. And now, there you have it, your complete guide to pursue ICAI as an international student. I hope this video answered your question and gave you a clear roadmap to begin your CA journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on ICAI, accounting careers, and study tips. Got questions? Drop them, comment below, and I will answer them in my next videos. See you soon. Allah Hafiz. Bye.